Can I get my kids on the school bus? Then while they're at school, go see an incredible waterfall and get back before they get home? It's a tall task because there's no waterfalls near me, but let's give it a shot. 3, 2, 1. I can't count. All right, we have 8:01 in the morning. My wife told me to run the laundry, so I'm not gonna fold the laundry, obviously, but I have the laundry in the basket. I have a load running. I put a load in the dryer. So check. Wife happy. At least I can say I did something with the laundry. 8:02. I'm gonna need a wallet. I'm gonna need money. Okay, that goes with that. Yeah, I think I have everything I need. So let's head on out. It is 8:06, and I am finally headed out the door, and so is the cat. Okay, see you later, Tucker. All right, guys. So yeah, I don't live very close to a good waterfall, so this is going to take a little bit of effort. Okay, long story short, it is now 8:36. It took me quite a while to find my wallet, but I found it. It even has an Apple AirTag, but the Apple AirTag is dead. Anyway, now we're taking off, so there's even more pressure to find an incredible waterfall. All right, guys, we are on the open trail at Willow River Falls parking lot. Super awesome, super incredible. We're just gonna enjoy our hike and then enjoy the waterfall when we get to it. Ooh, now we got a little slick hill. All right, guys. I think the key here is to not land on my butt. I think landing on my butt would be, well, it could get worse. I think there's just enough snow that fell off the trees to create some traction, but it's very steep. There's a lot of people online saying they're like crunchy moms and stuff like that. I don't know what that means. But if it means this, yeah, then I'm a crunchy dad. So there's that. Crunchy when it comes to snow and ice. Alright guys, I just saw a deer jump across the trail. Oh, there's another one. Super cute. Alright. Let's see. There he is. Oh, there's that little deer. Yeah. Super cute guy. Super cute.
Okay, I gotta keep going. Love to hang out and chat. You wanna play? Come on. Yeah, I'm not bad. Come on. You wanna play? Come on, buddy. You wanna hang out? I'm a good guy. Come on. Come on. You dooey 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 dooey. You dooey dooey dooey. Yeah, I'm not bad. You coming? I don't think he's coming. Okay. Alright. I can take a clue. Alright, guys. The deer didn't want to hang out. So, I guess I'll just keep heading to the waterfall. Doop de doop de doo. Doop de doop de doo. Alright, looks like we're coming up on some signage. Let's see if it's got a map. A map that'll help us. Aw, I didn't burn my skis today. Alright, here we go. We are here. Waterfall there. Ooh, there's a lake. I could have gone like ice fishing or something. That would have been fun. Cool. Alright. There's an overlook. There's some trails. So let's head to the falls. I can hear them. All right, we're coming up to the waterfall now. The hike really hasn't been that bad. Should be pretty. There we go. guys, we made it. We're gonna go up to the top of the hill there to the observation deck and see everything from up high. We got climbing. Ooh, nice. Let's just walk over here. Oh yeah. Ooh. All right, let's make our way up to the top of this observation platform. It's a few steps. It's a few steps up here. Yeah. I can feel it. But it's a good feeling. That's what I'll tell myself. It's a good feeling. Oh, almost there. Oh boy.
Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever, 'cause I'm up for anything like that. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the streets, every freak out, singing like.
All right, we made it. If you love this kind of content, make sure you follow, subscribe, like, and share. Together, we can turn adventure into something that can change the world. Until next time, berries are sweet, life is sweeter. We'll see you on the next one. All right, I'm looking at the map, and it doesn't look like there's any more river crossings, just some trails that go along the river here. I think I'm gonna head back to the car, but maybe someday we'll be able to come back and see more of these fun trails. All right, let's head back down the stairs. All right, guys. A lot of beauty to take in, a lot of fun, but I got to get back to my family. So let's head back up the trail and find our next adventure. We made it back to the car. Unfortunately, I think I missed my goal of getting back to my kids before they get off the bus. I think that ship has sailed, but now I'm gonna pivot. The next goal is we're gonna try to drive home and make my family dinner, like a really nice hearty dinner. I think I can get back in time to make everybody dinner, which will be great. So that's the new goal. Now we're headed home. All right, guys, we made it back to the house. What an adventure. I must have live streamed for like at least 6 hours. We have approximately 3:49 on the clock here, which is super cool. Yeah, we saw the waterfall. We got home. Now it's time to do laundry. And what else are we gonna do? Well, I don't know if you can see this, but we got mountains of laundry. Mountains of laundry. We're gonna make some dinner. So appreciate you guys coming along for the amazing venture. All right, thank you for coming along on the amazing adventure. And we will see you on the next video. YouTube thinks you're gonna like one of these bad boys, or is it over here? YouTube thinks you're gonna like this one. Subscribe here. I appreciate it, and we will see you on the next one. Remember, berries are sweet, but life is obviously way sweeter. All right, guys. Making dinner for the family. We're having chicken strips. Oh my goodness, we got some kind of hash browns with some onions. We got vegetables. So everything worked out. What an incredible day! What an incredible waterfall! And I still had time to hang out with my family. And we're making tremendous progress on the laundry. Let's take a look. We got one right here doing some laundry, right? And then look at this. Oh my goodness. So proud of these boys. Almost no dirty laundry left on the couch. Maybe it's all on the floor now, but I mean, they're folding it like crazy. Look at this. They're watching the Beast games or something. It's like so incredible. Is this Beast games too? I want to see it. I think you guys gotta wait. Pause it. I need to watch this with you. Okay, guys. We'll see you on the next video. I gotta watch Beast Games 2. I gotta see if it's better than Beast Games 1. And we'll see you on the next video. All right, there are a lot more trails and things to see here at Willow River State Park. Head up here this way and see what I see a little bit further. But I think we've pretty much accomplished our mission. Sure there's much more this way, but hey,